What up, what up, what up, y'all? Easy Silent Hustle here every day, all day. Y'all, we ain't playing no games, y'all. So in this video, I am going to show you how to take a screenshot using your laptop or PC, whichever terminology you want to use, okay? I am about to show you this in less than 5 minutes, I assure you. So let's get into video. Listen to this intro right quick and we'll be right back.
Silent Hustle, yeah. If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you a boss, ayy. Silent hustle, but you hustle hard, ayy. On my silent hustle, on my silent hustle. Entrepreneur, showing off my silent hustle. Yeah, go to easysilenthustle.com. Learn the art of the silent hustle and let your success make the noise. Yeah.
All right, y'all, we back, y'all. So let's say you want to take a screenshot of your website page, or maybe, I guess I should have got, I think I got a folder open. Let's say you want to take a picture of this right here. Let me open it up. Let's say you want to take a picture of this, or you want to take a screenshot of just this portion right here. So all you're going to do is go down to the bottom of your search box, and I want you to type in the word snippet tool. Just type in snippet tool. When you open up snippet tool, you'll see this right here. All right, let me downsize this so it won't be too confusing. All right, so you'll see this right here, snippet tool, come up on your screen. What you're going to do is hit the word new. And when you hit the word new, everything's going to go dark. At that moment, all you're going to do is go and highlight whatever you want to screenshot. And there you have it. You're going to hit file, save as, and you can save the picture as whatever you want to say, screenshot 1. Another thing, when you're doing your screenshot, you can actually do any type of picture. So let's say I done saved that one, right? Instead of going all the way out, you could just hit new again, and you could just screenshot the entire page. You can do the whole page. At that moment, you can also, I'm going to go ahead and this was on that screen, obviously, but it looked weird. It looked like I was doing a screenshot. We're going to hit file, save as, and then we're going to save that as screenshot 2. Okay, so let me do it one more time, only because 1, the video is short. 2, I want to show you 2. All right, and then let me do it without this little picture in the corner, right? We're going to downsize this a little bit, because that is the picture. That's the picture of this whole screen behind me, as you can see. That's the whole picture. But what I want to do is X off this right here. And I want to do it one more time. I'm going to click the word new. Wait, let me downsize it. Let me bring this all the way to the corner. The reason why I'm bringing this to the corner, because I don't want this in my picture. Okay, so I'm going to actually bring it all the way over to the right in my corner. And I'm going to hit the word new. I'm going to bring it way down here in the corner, you guys. I'm going to hit the word new. Right here, new, and then I'm going to start drawing. And there you have it. All right, and then you file and save as. So I just showed you how to take a screenshot using snippet tool for Windows, PC, computer, laptops. This is how you take a screenshot of whatever's on your screen. All right, y'all, until next time, Easy Silent Hustle here every day, all day, y'all. We ain't playing no games, y'all. Please let me know what video you want to see next, and we out. Peace. By the way, y'all, listen, if you all need a website built, or you're trying to get your website built, please go to my website, I Think Web Hosting. And what I want you to do is go down here to website, go to WordPress, and choose one of these packages to build your website on. One of the ones I absolutely recommend, because it comes with everything, is this $16.99 a month. You can get one website, unlimited storage, unlimited visitors per month. Website, it's got everything on here. Website backup protection, 1 click, automatically scam, malware protection, SEO optimizing, SSL certificate. This is the key, guys. You want to make sure you get this when you have your when you get your packages, okay? 1 click testing website, and unlimited malware remover and hat repair. All right, y'all, I just wanted to advertise my business right quick. I think web hosting. Go to it and get your web hosting. Go ahead and get your WordPress, get your domain name, whatever you need. If you need to transfer your domain name over here, if you want everything's on here you need when it's pertaining to starting a business, when you come to marketing and building your business, you guys. Even over here where you got email marketing, SEO marketing, if you need an emailing account, a business email, Microsoft 365, whatever you need is on here. Until next time, y'all, easy silent hustle. We really out this time. Peace.
Silent hustle, yeah. If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you a boss, ayy. Silent hustle, but you hustle hard, ayy. On my silent hustle, on my silent hustle. Entrepreneur, showing off my silent hustle. Yeah, go to easysilenthustle.com. Learn the art of the silent hustle and let your success make the noise. Yeah.